Hello everyone, today we are taking a look at the Pieces DOS virus. This virus is also known as Little Pieces and infects exe files when they are executed. We will go ahead and run it. And we see this is an infected copy of TurboLink used to assemble assembly files into their executable components, which is clearly not what we're trying to do here, so there is probably a virus in the system. Let's take a look at power.exe. If I can type. I cannot type. Alright, so power.exe in its uninfected state on the system is 8052 bytes. If we run it, it takes a little bit longer to execute. And we see the file size grows to 9426 bytes. So now Pieces has infected it, and it can continue infecting the system further from there. So another simple one is mem. We can see that it's 32,502 bytes. We run it, we get our nice memory output. However, it is also infected. The file size has grown, just like power. So we're going to run one more. And I didn't demonstrate the file size increase, but DOSKEY is infected as well. Now, Little Pieces is supposed to activate every 30 keystrokes, and it's supposed to blank the screen, and it does that 8 times before it displays its final payload. However, I've never gotten that to work, so you can see for yourself. Okay, that's definitely more than 30 keystrokes, and nothing happened. However, I have found the best way to get this virus to reliably activate is to run the Microsoft antivirus. So let's go ahead and boot that up. Sometimes we have to run the Central Point vSafe antivirus with it as well, but we'll see if this works. Alright, I adjusted the brightness just a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and detect. And the screen went black, which normally doesn't happen when you run msav, but let's just keep it going, see what happens. Scans the memory. Usually it doesn't find anything in memory, even though Little Pieces is there. Alright, let's start scanning files. And the whole screen's still blanked out. Parts of it are visible. Oh, I see Little Pieces down in the bottom there. So it found it. However, once it did find it, the whole system is locked up. So I can't even Control Alt Delete to restart. We are going to hard reset and see if we can get the virus to activate. Not now, Alexis. Ooh, it's dark. Alright, this time we're going to run the Central Point Microsoft antivirus. So we got vSafe, and now let's go ahead and get Little Pieces in memory by running an infected file. And vSafe says nothing about that, so whatever. Let's just run msav and see what we can do. Ooh. Alright, here we go. So we notice this time the whole screen did not blank out. So that's a slight change, but let's see if we can get Little Pieces to activate. Well, that's different. It actually found Little Pieces. Let's try cleaning it. Oh. Virus infecting this file or disk has not yet been analyzed. Safe removal cannot be completed. Oh, well, that's a bummer. Well, let's just continue. So you found it, but you can't do anything about it. Other than delete the file, but I don't want to delete it. Oh, found it again. Keep on going. Hey look, found the virus in the virus file. That's a good sign. Okay, so we found the files that were infected, but nothing could be done, so let's go ahead and exit. I don't want to reboot, just exit. Now let's see. I cannot type this morning. Let's run debug. Everything takes... Oh, yeah, I want to continue. Just go. Let's run CD program. Okay, that's getting annoying. No, stop it. Okay, let's unload vsafe. Oh, because the virus is loaded, I can't stop vsafe from running. What? That's great. I love it. Do one more. Yeah, I want to continue. And now let's try msav again. And detect. Okay, the screen blanked out again. I don't know why that happens. I'm assuming little pieces is affecting it because part of the payload is supposed to be it blanks the screen every 30 keystrokes, which is sort of happening, but it's not related to any keystrokes. Okay, so once more we scanned, and once more the machine has frozen, so we're gonna try this one more time. Alright, we're back in action. Let's run mem, let's run DOSKEY, power, pieces, M386, and MSCDEX. And now, vsafe, go! Oh, wait, not vsafe. I didn't want vsafe. I wanted msav. Oh well. We'll just run everything, I guess. Because I would really like the virus to activate. Come on, come on. Detect. Okay, we didn't blank out. It's probably going to tell me they're all infected again and not do anything. Yeah, we're still finding infections. I know. Stop. Just stop. No. Okay, so I infected Microsoft Windows Undelete, and it sort of blanked the screen like we saw before. So that's different. Let's try msav now. Okay, so scan completed. We can still sort of use the computer. Let's just exit. Okay, I don't want to reboot. Just trying to modify system memory. Do you wish to continue? You bet I wish to continue. Let's go. Alright, it didn't do anything, but hey, why not? Hey, there we go. So the virus actually activated just on its own. It did not require me to be running Microsoft antivirus this time, and the payload is that it blanks the screen and displays, "One of these days I'm going to cut you into little pieces," which sounds quite threatening and ominous, unless you're a fan of Pink Floyd. But I want you to imagine you're a little old lady working on your family's Christmas card because your family's been bugging you to get a new Packard Bell Legend 316 SX so that you can finally put all the bells and whistles on your card. You can print it out on the nice paper, or take it down to the local print shop, put all those fancy, terrible, tiny pictures in there. And then your computer just says, "One of these days I'm going to cut you into little pieces." I'm pretty sure Grandma would throw her computer in the trash. Now I believe the system is all hung up now. Yeah, it doesn't want me typing. So it's not a hard freeze like we saw during the antivirus runs. However, it did lock up. So we could Control-Alt-Delete to reset and get back to normal. But who wants normal on this channel anyway? Now, Little Pieces does set a flag that once it displays this once, it never displays it again, which is fun. You get one ominous threatening message and then never again, so the next time you want to show somebody that your computer is threatening your life, you can't do it. The virus never shows it again. But it's not destructive, it doesn't delete anything. It does not manifest into knives and actually cut you into little pieces, so I'd say it's just a pretty neat little virus Maybe a pretty neat little pieces virus. You get it? That's a good one. Alright. We finally got it to work. I've been recording for a while, and I'm ready to stop. That's about it for the Little Pieces DOS virus. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.